Alright, YouTube, we're back with the 06 Legends. Right up there. Glare. Hopefully these better cards. Actually, that dual patch auto was not bad, but just not the best player, so definitely neat. So, here we go. Should get 3 autos in here. If I can get the box open. Alright. Please no redemptions. That's the only thing you have to worry about when you get an 06 stuff or older stuff. Okay, all base. So many nice cards though. Hopefully get a Montana, something, or maybe something I can trade. We'll do all one side first. Roger Craig, I already have the auto like that. There's my first auto. It's actually not too bad. I grew up watching this guy. He was a pretty good receiver. Of O.J. McDuffie with the number 81 on there. So that's a pretty sweet auto right there. First auto in like the couple packs. I like to get a nice older player. Hopefully that's not my best one. Like I said, I'm a receiver fan, so I like receivers. It's not too bad. Growing up, my favorites were, of course, Jerry Rice, Tim Brown, Chris Carter, Art Monk. That'd be my top 5. There's one of my rookies. I think you get 2 per box. T.J. Williams, tight end for the Buccaneers. 444 out of 750. So, there we go. I'm pretty sure you get 2 rookies. It's my second auto. For the Jets, Ken O'Brien. Not too great. Want to go old school, and these are probably late 80s, early 90s players. O.J. McDuffie's 90s totally. I think he's a rookie in like 93. So, all right, that was all in one stack. Got my 2 autos and one of the rookies. So. There's my Ken O'Brien base card to go with that. Come on, one huge auto. Kind of scared to move these cards. They get a chance to get jersey cards too, and dual autos and triple autos. I'd love to get a dual auto if possible. I just like to get an old school auto. Seven packs left, looking for the last auto. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and show you because I already seen it, and it's actually a pretty nice autograph. I mean, you get the base card right behind it. That's kind of crazy. But Joe Jacoby auto. for the Redskins. And the Joe Jacoby base card right behind it. There we go. Not the best box. Maybe I'll get 4 autos. Who knows? Okay, I got 5 packs left. My next rookie is Ty Hill for the Rams, 420 of 750. So, didn't get one of the big name rookies, and oh, sweet! I did get a 4th autograph. Awesome. And this autograph I actually do like, and it probably doesn't book much, but another one of my receivers, and I just dropped it. Herman Moore. So that is pretty awesome. I got 4 autos, 2 rookies, and I don't think I'll complain anymore about that. Oh, this one's thick. Maybe a jersey card. Maybe I'm just imagining it, and I am. Alright, so 4 autos, not too bad. Did get the buff decently cheap, so I appreciate it. The Star of Marvin out.